Welcome to this video on how to turn your old TV into a smart TV. We'll explore easy and affordable ways to bring modern streaming capabilities to any television. Why upgrade your old TV? It saves you money by avoiding a new purchase, gives you instant access to modern apps like Netflix and YouTube, and is eco-friendly by extending the life of your existing hardware. To get started, you only need a few simple things: an old TV with an HDMI port, a Wi-Fi connection, and a power outlet nearby. Most modern streaming solutions rely on these three basic elements. The best and easiest way to make your TV smart is by using a streaming stick. These tiny devices plug directly into your TV's HDMI port, connect to Wi-Fi, and are essentially plug and play. You can choose your favorite streaming stick, such as the Fire TV stick, Chromecast, or Roku stick. Each offers a slightly different user experience and integration with other services. Step 1. Connect the stick. Look for the rectangular HDMI port on the back or side of your TV and simply push the stick firmly into the port. Step 2. Connect power. Your stick needs power to run. Use the included USB cable. Plug one end into the stick and the other into a USB port on your TV or a wall adapter. Step 3. Change TV input. Grab your original TV remote and press the input or source button. Then, select the HDMI channel where you plug the stick in, such as HDMI 1. Step 4. Connect to Internet. The device will guide you through connecting to your Wi-Fi network. Find your Wi-Fi name. Enter the password using the new remote, and wait for confirmation. Step 5. Start streaming. You are now all set. Your old TV is a powerful smart TV. Open up your favorite apps like Netflix, YouTube, Prime, and more. Another great option is a smart TV box, such as Android TV or Apple TV box. These offer more ports for connecting USB drives or Ethernet, and often provide better performance for gaming. You can also use wireless mirroring to cast content from your phone or laptop. Use Chromecast or built-in casting features to send videos or photos wirelessly to the big screen. If your old TV doesn't have an HDMI port, don't worry. You can use an HDMI to RCA adapter. Simply buy a converter, plug the stick into it, and then plug the colored cables into your TV. Here are some helpful tips for the best experience. Ensure you have strong Wi-Fi by keeping your router close to the TV. Keep your device software updated for security, and ensure good cooling to prevent overheating. Enjoy these benefits: universal compatibility with the right adapter, an affordable upgrade, and educational value through access to tutorials and documentaries. Plus, it's perfect for family fun and movie nights. Thank you for watching this video. You can scan the QR code space for setup guides and further help. Start today and enjoy your new smart TV.